Hello friends, I'm making this video to display 3 of my handmade neck pieces which I made a few months back. I wanted to give a proper description and overall view of those so that I have this idea to came up with a video. And thank you for supporting me every time, and this time also please stay tuned for the full video. I'm sure it will be shorter than the previous one. So the first one goes like this. It's an wooden neck piece, and I have hand painted on it. So the base is black, and over it I have hand painted a lady, and the lady looks beautiful and very curious, and it's strung with stone chip beads, and the length will come like this. So the neck piece is going apt with this top. So this will come like this much length, and with that I am providing a pair of stud of the same color. So this will come like that much length. It will go like with saris and kurtis of the same color combination. The colors are black, I have used are black, red and yellow, and there is little bit of white also. So please buy and book for further details, or sorry, please ping me for further details and to book or buy. Thank you so much. This is the first neck piece, and the second neck piece is also a wooden neck piece. I have hand painted on it. You must have watched that. This is the neck piece. I named actually I named it like Shubhu Bijoya. So we celebrate Vijaya Dashami on the day of Dashera. So this is a sad mom and her daughter, and the base is on yellow, and dark green and dark blue is also there, and the daughter and the ladies are sad. Also I have strung with jute rope. The length will come this much. This is pretty long, and if you wear, the highest longest length will be like this, and the shortest length will be like this one. So this is to going with this top a lot, so perfectly, yeah. So this will look like this. Let's zoom a bit. No, yeah, this will come like this. And with this neck piece I am providing stud, and it will be like this one. This much length will come. So this is the second one. These both costs 500 rupees plus shipping extra. So please ping me personally or check in the group for more details, and you already know the buying options. So hurry up. So before my puja collection starts, this will be the last chance to purchase these things. And last but not the least, this is the last one of today's video. Let me arrange the 3-layer neck piece. Look at this. This is such a beautiful one. So this is actually made of crystal. The colors are light green and the dark green. So the light green is like leafy green, and the dark green is bottle green. You can check it out. It looks beautiful. And I have strung this beautiful 3 layers with this resin beads of the dark green color, and with that golden touch is there. So the total overall length will come like this, and this will go with the same color sari and contrast color saris or kurtis or whatever you want to wear. So this neck piece cost 450. Actually, I forgot the actual cost which I set previously. I need to check that. I think it's around 450 only. So those who want to book, please ping me and I will check and update the actual price. Maybe 450 or it may be 400 also. I can't remember exactly. So pardon me for that. I will surely check with my notebook and update you the price. But this is the overall look of the neck piece, and with that I have provided a single small and sweet stud, because the neck piece is too much gorgeous. So I think a small stud will go with this. Not a stud, it's a small dangler with matching to that golden thing. So I think this will go with this very superbly. So that's all for today. Please ping me personally for more details and book it. This is the last, as I said earlier, this is the last opportunity for you all to book these 3 neck pieces and get it for you. And thank you so much for staying with me and for the support which you have shown me till date. Thank you so much. I'm overwhelmed, and also stay tuned for more updates and more videos regarding my business. Like I have jewelry group and also a newly started bag group, which you have already aware of that. So stay tuned for that, and thank you for supporting me a lot. Bye.